Hello friends, welcome to One Teaspoon of Life. Today let's make Methi Matar Malai. This creamy and mild curry is made from fresh methi leaves, green peas and cream. To make the curry, heat 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 large onion, diced, 10 to 12 cashew nuts, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and saute it until the onions are soft and translucent. Next, add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste or chopped green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want it to be very spicy. Saute for a minute or two and then set it aside to cool. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds to it. Next, add 2 cups of chopped methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. Fry until the methi has wilted and reduced in size. Grind the onion and cashew mixture to a smooth puree and now add to the methi leaves. Mix until combined. Add half a cup of water and mix it well. Now allow it to boil until the methi is completely cooked. Add 3/4 cup of boiled green peas. Add salt as per taste and mix it well. Continue to simmer for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. Mix the cream well. Cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes after adding the cream. Your creamy and mild Methi Matar Malai is now ready. Serve it with roti or naan. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your friends and family and hit the like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel One Teaspoon of Life.